Hi guys, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to show you how to solve a difficult 6x6 twin calcudoku puzzle. So basically what twin calcudoku means is that, so if there was a 1 right here, it would be like in the same corresponding puzzle, but the square obviously isn't 1, which I'll explain later why. Alright, it's not wasting more time, let's get started. So with this 15 right here, it's gotta be 3 or 5. Yeah, one thing I forgot to say, this is a 6x6 puzzle. And with this 4 right here, it can only be 4 or 1. Because basically all that means is that divide, two numbers dividing equals 4. And out of the remaining two numbers in this column, 2 and 6 still need to be used. And basically, one thing to tell with this 120, if this was a 2 and then these two have to multiply to equal 60, the largest two numbers I can multiply, which is 6 times 6, which is 36, which is well short of 60. So that can never be a 2. So it must be a 6. And then this must be a 2. And now I know these two numbers must multiply to equal 20. So it can only be 4 or 5. I'll put this minus 3 right here. It lets me know it's either gotta be a 1 or 2. And with this minus 1 right here, it's either gotta be a 1 or a 3. And gotta figure out something that would satisfy both puzzles. So basically with this right here, these two cells will need to add up to 7. But 1 won't be possible since there's no 6 that can be used. So it can only be 4 and 3. And that's a 1. Right here it's either a... No, there's too many possibilities. Means it can either be 2 or 6. This is 1, 2, or 6. And now one thing... Alright, so this already got a lot of information. So I know that the 6 is a given. Totally. And now these cells will form trips of 1, 4, and 5. With this 3 right here, it has to be 1 or 2. And now with this minus 1, it's gotta be 2 or 3. However, due to this 1, 2 pair, that can't be a 2. So this must be a 3. These never have a difference of 1 from each other. Now right here, 4, then 5. This 30, 6 and 5. So basically, think about if 6 can be true. If 6 was right here, then these would have to multiply to equal 5. That can only be done if this was a 1. If these two were a 1 and this was a 5. However, that scenario is out of the question due to this 5 right here. So in fact, that can never be a 6. And also, this can't be a 4 because 4 is not divisible by 30 is not divisible by 4. I would need these cells to multiply to equal 6. 5 is not divisible by 6, so that must be a 1. Now these two need to multiply to equal 6. Due to this 5 right here, this is going to be a 4, 5. Now right here, 4. So this is a 2. And then this is a 3. Alright, so now these cells will need to subtract to equal 0, and that is done by a 2. Now, this is a 4. To complete this 15. And now there must be 5 and 6 to complete this column. And there's two different ways you can look at it. You can look at it, one, this can't be a 6 because there's a 6 right here, or this must be a 6 due to these two cells need to have a difference of 2. Either way is a valid point of view. I mean, this must be 6. And now 1 and 3 right here. And due to this 1, this must be a 3 to complete the column. These two cells need to multiply to equal 8, which can only be done by 2 and 4. Due to this 2, this must be a 4. Complete this column, this has to be a 1, and this has to be 3. Oh, I didn't even fill that in. And there you go, that's how you solve the difficult 6x6 twin puzzle. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.